Ever feel like managing your Amazon store is like trying to tame a wild beast? Imagine a world where your store runs smoothly, your listings shine like diamonds, and your customers are always satisfied. That's the world Ayaz Yousafzai can help you create. Ayaz Yousafzai, a seasoned virtual assistant with a focus on Amazon, is the key to unlocking your store's potential. With his unique skill set, product listings go from drab to fab, customer inquiries are handled with finesse and speed, and your business grows in ways you've only dreamed of. Don't just take my word for it. Hear the success stories of those who've walked this path before you. Jesse, a former client, says, "Working with Ayaz was a game changer for my Amazon business. My product listings have never looked better and my customers are happier than ever. He's a true professional." And there's more. Sarah, another satisfied client, shares, "Ayaz took my Amazon store from good to great. His attention to detail and dedication to my business were impressive. I couldn't have done it without him." Their stories could be your story. Imagine the growth, the success, the peace of mind that comes from knowing your Amazon store is in the capable hands of Ayaz Yousafzai. So what's stopping you? Take a step towards a brighter future for your Amazon store. Reach out to Ayaz Yousafzai today. Your Amazon store will thank you.